Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer a photo from your iOS device to an Android device using the application called ShareIt. So in this video we will be using an iPhone 6s and Samsung Galaxy S5. We can now bring the mobile phones into the frame. iPhone 6s, Samsung Galaxy S5, and now go to the iPhone application, ShareIt. We are trying to send any photo. Okay, connect to non-iOS device, absolutely. Go to the Android mobile phone, in this case Samsung Galaxy S5, click on apps, ShareIt. Go to receive. Connect to iOS device. Yes, so this is what we need to connect to. Go to settings. Wi-Fi needs to be connected to whatever we saw on the Android device, so that itself is now connected. Yes, so now the file itself, the photo has been sent. Click on the photo. Yes. Send the file. Do we need to send the file? We can go to the gallery. And there is the photo stored in pictures. Go back to the iPhone homepage. Go to the homepage of your Galaxy S5. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.